handcuffs craft. For this activity, you need a black or brown paper, glue, and a pair of scissors. Use any dark shade of paper. Let's begin the activity by cutting strips of this paper. Make sure your kids are using child-friendly scissors. It's a great fine motor activity. After the strips are ready, let's take one strip, put some glue on one corner, and turn it and stick it like a loop or a circle. Allow it to dry nicely. Now let's take another strip of paper, put it from inside this circle or loop and make another loop and stick it together. Repeat the process again. Put the strip through the loop and make another loop. If you see, it's kind of becoming like a chain. Continue this process for as long as your child wishes to or is enjoying. This is a great fine motor activity. Also encourages a lot of hand-eye coordination. It's really engaging and an entertaining activity for the child. I hope you enjoy doing it. And tada! Our handcuffs or a chain is ready. I hope you enjoyed doing this activity. Happy learning!